Hi guys, in this video I will be talking about how to add task in Asana. So let's try it out. The first thing is open your application. Once your application will be open, you can see it's redirected to the task. But if you take a look on the bottom of your mobile screen, you will see multiple options. From these, you have to select this option by task. Once you select, here you will see all the list of your task if you have, but if you don't have, then this will be empty. Now, in order to add any task, you can see the icon New Task in the right bottom. Click on it, and here the first thing and the most important thing is you need to write the task name. Just like I will select the task, and just for example, I wrote the exams below you can see assigned to. If I click on it here, I can assign it to anyone, which I have in my company. Currently, I am a single person, so that's why you can see the list. If you have, then you can assign this task to that person, assign it, and then it's the due date. Click on it and select the due date. Once you will select a due date, then that person need to complete this task on that specific date, and it will work as a reminder. With the help of this attachment, you can attach files, which is in your mobile phone, or even you can attach the link of Google Drive or any link that you have. If I click on this icon, my mobile phone gallery will be open, and here I need to choose a picture, a specific picture that I want to attach with this task. With the help of camera icon, I can capture a live photo and can attach it. Once you think everything is done, simply click on the option Create. Now you can see the task is created, and on the top you can see the task. If I click on it, here I can do multiple things, like I can add description, I can manage it to subtask or whatever I want, and it was the way by which you can create tasks easily.